Sometimes you're going to have a prior test found, and that's okay. That just means somebody else has tested this car with the B2Q as well. This shows that full system test was not performed, so we're going to go through the low voltage system testing procedure to get this completed. We're going to go ahead and connect our jump box system if it's needed. As you can see, we're already connected. Which you can take off one or both, doesn't matter, you're just resetting it. So take it off, put it back on, that'll reset, then we're going to start the vehicle again. The vehicle is restarted, so we're going to go ahead and do this. You can see we just have 2 bars here. So we're going to hit the recommendation bar. It's going to say add starting test data. We're going to select that and we're going to scan the code. Once we scan that code, you can see we now have 4 bars, a complete full system test. This member is going to need to get their battery replaced. So explain the results to the member.